Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss about the next Python interview question, which is nothing but 23rd question. How to create an empty set. How to create an empty set with one or more elements. How to create an empty set and set with one or more elements. Let us see how you can do this. See, I want to create an empty set. S1 is equal to, can I take empty brackets like this? Because set is created by using these parentheses. If we are trying to print S1 comma type of S1, what output we are going to get? You can see the output is nothing but what? Empty parenthesis, and it is returning in the form of dictionary. Why? Because for set and dictionary, for both we are going to use the same curly brackets. That's why we are getting this particular problem. Like this we have. Then how to create empty set, sir? If you want to create empty set, we have to take the set function separately. If you are trying to print S2 and the type of S2, we are going to get like this. Set and class is nothing but what? Set. Like this we have. Then I want to create a set with only one element. How to do? So we have to take these brackets and I'm going to take 10. So I'm creating S3 as a set type with only one element. When it is going to consider dictionary, there are two possibilities. One is if you are creating empty flower brackets, it will be considered as a dictionary. Second thing, when you are creating empty bracket with the key value pair, then only it will consider as a dictionary. If you are giving only single object, it will consider as a set only. If you want, you can see. Third output, it is a set or not? Yes. How to create a set object with multiple elements? You can take like this 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Now I want to print S4 and the type of S4. What output we are going to get? You can see it is printing in the form of set. You may have a doubt, sir, the order which we have given is 10 20 30 40, but in different order we are getting. Don't worry, insertion order is not preserved in the case of set. Okay, in the case of set, insertion order is not preserved. This is nothing but how to create a set, how to create empty set, and set with only one element, set with more than one element. I hope you understood the scenario very clearly. Okay, right. Thank you, friends.